So, good afternoon po. A pleasant afternoon, pleasant day, everyone. So, today we are going to install or set up our Java development kit and the Eclipse. So, I've already downloaded the Java and the Eclipse. So, here, nakikita natin, nandito na siya. So, i-double click lang natin to install. And wait for it. So, syempre, yes lang natin siya. And antayin natin. So, yan. So, i-next natin siya dito. And dito, pwede mo siyang palitan kung saan mo siya gusto ilagay. But sa akin, okay na yan. Then, next natin ulit. Yan, antayin lang natin siya mag-install. So, okay. And then, next. So, yan. Let's just wait for it to install. So, i-close lang natin to. And then next is we need to install the Eclipse or our IDE. So, antayin lang natin lumabas yung, ayan, okay? And let's just wait for it. So, medyo matagal lang siya. And here, wait natin. Here, we need to choose or, ayan, so, ito yung gagamitin natin since it's for Java developers. So, ayan, let's just click it. And then here, install na lang. Pwede mo siyang palitan. So, make sure na yung ginamit is latest. So, here, ito yung gamit natin ngayon. So, okay na yan. Install na natin. So, ayan, antayin lang natin since medyo matagal siya. So, medyo matagal lang talaga siya. So, here, successful na and let's launch it. Launch lang natin siya. So, yan. So, ito. You can change kung saan mo siya gusto ilagay pero sa akin okay na yan. And launch lang natin ulit. So, matagal siya. Start na yung IDE natin. So, X na natin to. Yes. Because, iba siya. So, here, file. And, project. So, wait. I forgot the, X natin. Okay, X na natin siya. So, yan. The new. Siyempre, Java project. Dito, we can, let's give it our name. So, okay na yan. Dito, okay na din yan. Next lang natin siya. And then here, makikita natin yung, ayan. So, finish na natin. Sorry. So, wait. Hindi ko mahanap yung document ko. Sorry. Wait lang. So, yun. Naglag na po ang ating laptop. Ayan na po. So, natin. Please. Ayan. Close na muna natin. Medyo mahirapan na. So, ayan. ito naman siya actually. So, we can just open again, I guess. So, antayin lang natin siya ulit. So, launch again, sorry. So, nakarami na tayong mga launch na yan. Let's just wait for it. Again. Antayin na lang natin to. I think design lang din naman. So, ayan. Medyo ano na lang siya kasi. Sorry po, sadali. So, ayan. So, okay na siya. Since here, nakita natin to. Let's right click. Oh, I cannot. So, ayan. Let's see. Right click natin to. Then here. Then new. Of course, package. And then here, name. So, let's name it, I think fundamentals na lang. And then finish natin. And then here, you can see it. Then, mag-add tayo new. And then sa class. Oh, sorry. Then class. So, name ng class natin. Let's just put it hello world since yun naman ang gagawin natin. Oh, sorry. So, okay na siguro. So, here, package, fundamentals, class, hello world. And then, dito. Nakita naman natin to. Here. And let's, oh, I think it's not the same. So, let me check kung paano siya gawin. Once I forgot. So, let's check na. No, lumagpas na tayo ng 10 minutes. But it's okay. That's the only minimum. So, ayun. So, package, fundamental, public class, hello world. So, yan. Let's just, not, ayun. Yan. Enter tayo din. Then, public class, static. You can see the keyboard natin. So, public class. Public static pala. Sorry. Public static that. Okay. So, yan. Sorry. Ayan, tama. So, there. Sa loob niyan, naglalagay tayo ng sorry. So, here dito sa loob. Ayan. Let's add the string. Sorry, ay medyo nahirapan ako sa aking keyboard. Okay, hindi siya dyan. I guess. Ayan. So, doon na pala siya. Sorry. So, sa loob niyan, wala tayong lalagay. But dito, sa tabi niya, ang space natin. Okay. Then, ayan. So, curly brackets. Oh, sorry. There. Then, wait natin. So, system out. System dot out. Oh, sorry. That print, since magpiprint tayo. So, yan. And then again. Oh, my god, I'm sorry. Yan. So, here, kailangan lang natin siya maglagay ng omit sa loob. Sa loob ng close and open, we need to secure na dapat is naka-double quotation siya. We can find the quotation. So, ayan. Then, let's just put yung hello world natin. So, hello world. So, make sure that dito, sa labas ng close parenthesis is maglalagay tayo ng, oh, sorry. Oh. There. So, para hindi siya ma-open. Here, kailangan lang natin dagdagan ng ating curly brackets since nawala yung isa. So, there. And then, here, we can see, ito, run hello world, Java. Yan lang natin. So, yan. Okay. Then, proceed. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang error. Bakit nag-error? Sorry. Sige. Oh, ito. There. I guess, okay na siya. So, yes. And then, there. Ito na siya. So, here. Okay na. So, nagkamali lang tayo sa ating curly brackets. But, it's okay na. So, dun lang kami tatapos. Thank you for watching. And I hope hindi kayo na-bored. Sorry then po about the inconvenience or sa mga mali. So, yun lang. Thank you and have a nice day.